there are thus these three, as you say, there are these three tendencies in you, three gunas. When can we say that tamas, sattva has come up, or when is it that rajas comes up? How is it that tamas comes into me? All the three are all the time there. Even though thus all the three gunas are in us. From what you have been said so far, sattva is a time when the mind and intellect is peaceful and serene. Rajas makes the mind get agitated. Tamas functions at the intellect, veiling its light or discrimination, benumbing the intellect. The agitations of the mind is technically called as vikshepa. And the intellect thus veiled, misted out, smoked out, is called avarana, veiling. The effect of rajas in mind is mind agitated. When the tamas is functions always the intellect, when it dullens the intellect, its capacity to discriminate, judge and understand is removed from it. The intellect becomes slow. That is why in all the board meetings, international conferences, in everywhere, maximum 2 hours or 2.5 hours, man can function efficiently. At the end of 2.5 hours, your efficiency starts depleting, falling away. That is why there is a coffee break at 2.5 hours. Every meeting. Everybody gets up. We will now have a coffee break, 10 minutes. You get up, go into the porch or to the terrace, and the tea and coffee are ready, and you take a cup. You don't drink because you don't need it. But you have moved about, and took a cigarette and lighted it up one end, and sipped it twice or thrice. By the time the 10 minutes are over, you cut some jokes, and you go back fresh. Why? That tamas in the intellect is removed, and you are now able to receive ideas and give ideas, enter effectively into the discussion round the table. Everywhere the same. Thus, when tamas comes, there is this veiling. Now then, teacher says, when rajas and tamas are transcended, or when they are suppressed or quietened, the mood in which the mind will be is called sattva. So sattva predominates over rajas and tamas. Naturally, when the agitations are quietened and the intellect has become bright, that mood of the mind and intellect, that mood is called sattva, sattvic mood, where rajas and tamas have become secondary. The sattva is predominant. This is called the sattvic mood or sattvic man.